Friends, welcome to the math school. In today's class, what we will be discussing is exercise 2.1 of class 8th, linear equations in one variable. I will be taking all the questions one by one and discussing step by step solutions for all these questions. The first question says x minus 2 is equal to 7. In these type of questions, we need to solve the equation for finding the value of x. As a process, keep x always on left hand side and take all the numbers on right hand side. So x minus 2 is equal to 7. What I will do, I will keep x on the left hand side. 2 we will shift to the right hand side, and when it goes to right hand side, it becomes plus 2 from minus 2. The sign changes. So x is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 is the answer. X is equal to 9 is the answer. Y plus 3 is equal to 10. Again here we will be solving for y. So keep y on left hand side, shift plus 3 to right hand side, and whenever it shifts to other side the sign changes. So from plus 3 it will become minus 3. So y is equal to 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 is the answer. 6 is equal to z plus 3. Here we will be solving it for z. Since here z is given on the right hand side, let us keep z on the right hand side and shift the other number. Other number is plus 3, we will be shifting it to left hand side. So it's 6 minus 3 is equal to z, plus 3 from right is shifted to left hand side. So it becomes 3 is equal to z, or z is equal to 3 is the answer. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Again keep x on left hand side and shift the numbers on other side. Obviously the sign will change, so 3 by 7 will become minus 3 by 7. So x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So 7 will be the LCM. 17 minus 3 is 14 by 7. So x is equal to 14 by 7, which is equal to 2 is the answer. Very simple questions in the beginning. 6x is equal to 12. So here there is no other term except 6x and 12. Again we will keep x on one side and take numbers on the other side. So x will be retained on left hand side. 6 will go to right hand side. Since here there is no other plus minus, so 6 will go to the denominator. 6x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2 will be the answer. T by 5 is equal to 10. So same way here we need to solve this question for t. Keep t on one side and take all the numbers on right hand side. We will shift 5 to right hand side, which is in the denominator on the left hand side, and it will move to numerator in the right hand side. So t by 5 is equal to 10. T is equal to 10 multiplied by 5, that is 50. T by t is equal to 50 is the answer. Next, 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. Similar question. We have only two numbers with us, no plus minus sign. X we will retain on the left hand side. 2 by 3 will be shifted on the right hand side. Once it gets shifted on the right hand side, it will become a reciprocal of itself. So x is equal to 18 into, instead of 2 by 3 we will write 3 by 2. So which is 9 into 3, 18 gets divided by 2, x is equal to 27 is the answer. Next is 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. Again retain y on one side. take numbers on the other side. So 1 upon 1.5 is taken to left hand side. It will go to numerator. So it becomes y is equal to 1.6 into 1.5. Y is equal to 2.4 is the answer. 9. 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Again, we will retain x on one side, x terms on one side. So 7x will be retained on the left hand side. Minus 9 will go to right hand side. So it will become 7x is equal to 16 plus 9. 9 will change its sign when it goes to right hand side. So 7x is equal to 25. X is equal to 25 upon 7 is the answer. Feel free to ask any queries in the comments box. 10y minus 8 is equal to 13. Keep y on one side, numbers on the other side. Minus 8 and 14 will be shifted to right hand side. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8. Minus 8 will become plus 8 when it moves to right hand side. So 14y is equal to 21. Now 14 will get divided to 21 when it shifts to right hand side. So 21 upon 14, if you cut both the numbers by 7, it becomes 3 by 2. So y is equal to 3 by 2 is the answer in this case. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. We will be solving this for 6p. So keep 6p on left hand side. Shift numbers to the right hand side. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17 is minus 8. P will be minus 8 divided by 6. Again, if you uh, deduct it into the shortest form, it will be minus 4 by 3. P is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the answer. 12th, x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. The same process we need to follow. Plus, first shift 1 to right hand side. It becomes x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1. X upon 3 becomes 7 minus 15 upon 15. 15 will be LCM. So 7 minus 15 divided by 15 minus 8 upon 15. Now this x upon 3, 3 will again shift to right hand side. On left hand side, it is on in the denominator. On right hand side, it will go to the numerator. So minus 8 upon 15 multiplied by 3 is minus 8 upon 5 is the answer. Only because of fraction, this question becomes slightly more important. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. We are uploading many more videos of class 8, class 9, and class 10. Thank you.